Hello, my name is Jackie Hutton from Clinical Trials Ontario. This video will demonstrate how to remove a user's role from an application form in CTO Stream. Roles provide a user with access to a project for the entire duration of the study. The provincial initial application and center initial application are the only two application types that a user can be given a role on. To remove a user's access, the role must be removed from the same form they were given a role on. When a member of the study team leaves the project, it is the remaining member's responsibility to ensure the access of the users leaving is removed. A project owner's role cannot be removed; they must transfer ownership to a new owner. The original user loses project ownership when the transfer is accepted. If you are not sure which application a user was given the role on, you can go to the History tab of the project overview and search the user's name. Any forms the user was given a role on can be viewed in the search results. Select the PIA or CIA the user was originally given a role on in the project tree. Click the Roles tile in the Actions menu to open the Share Roles pop-up window. The pop-up window will appear with a table listing all the users who have a role on the current form. Project owners are not listed in the Roles pop-up window. The Remove column on the right of the table contains a Remove button next to the user's name and role. Clicking this button will remove the user from the current form. Some individuals, such as those with provincial and center study staff roles, may see two buttons. The button on the right is an additional Remove All Permissions button. If the user has multiple roles for the project, i.e. the PIA and CIA or two CIAs, clicking the Remove button in the Remove All Permissions column will remove all permissions from the other forms. They will completely be removed from the study. Click the Remove button next to the name of the user you wish to remove. Once the role has been removed, a green message will appear at the top of the screen with the message "Role removed successfully." Verify the user's role was removed successfully by reopening the Roles pop-up window to verify the user's name is no longer listed in the Share Roles pop-up window, by checking the History tab of the application from the project tree page where the role removal event will be listed. Thank you for watching. If you have questions about CTO Stream or are having technical issues, visit support.ctontario.ca to submit a help desk ticket. For more CTO Stream video tutorials, user guides, quick guides, and tip sheets, visit ctontario.ca.